and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share this Christmas bow tutorial with you. So basically I purchased one of those mannequin Christmas trees that I wanted to put in my room, but it came with this blue bow that doesn't really match my decor in there. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought this beautiful pink velvet ribbon. I'm telling you guys, it's so beautiful. Also, go to your local Hobby Lobby right now. All the ribbons like 50% off, so go check them out like ASAP. Anyways, so I think the ribbon was 2.5 inches wide, which is perfect for a Christmas bow. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is quickly take apart the bow just so I can get at least like the waistband measurement that's gonna go around the mannequin. So yeah, and from there I'm gonna measure it, of course, but also keep in mind to add about 2 inches, 1 inch for both sides. That's the part we're gonna fold and sew on the Velcro. So yeah. Oh, also keep in mind that when you're folding, that one fold goes inside like the wrong side of the ribbon and the other one goes outside the right side of the ribbon when you're putting the Velcro and sewing it onto the ribbon. Okay, so now onto the fun part of making the bow. Okay, so for mine, it's 1 yard and 18 inches long in length. However, just please keep in mind that if you're working with a thicker material like I am, I would recommend marking the folds, because normally with organza ribbon, it's easier to fold it and press on it and create that crease on that ribbon. But with the velvet, you can't really press on it, and crease it. It's kind of hard. So just mark it with a pin so you know where you're folding and gathering. So that's how I did mine. Okay, so let's start marking the bows. So fold the ribbon in half equally, and then from there go towards the ends, right? From there, depending on how long you want the little like bow ties, for mine I did 8.5 inches. I marked it. I know that's where I'm going to be folding, so from there we're going to fold. You can, like I said, mark it, or you could try to crease it. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And then from here we're going to fold one more time and repeat the same steps, marking or creasing the ribbon. Okay, so let's go back to the middle of the ribbon and we're going to start gathering and pinching, and then from there the ribbon towards you, that one, grab it. We're going to bring it up and we're going to again gather and pinch. And you have your very first loop. Okay, so I'm going to change it to my other hand, and then the other one on your right is going to come from the bottom. You're going to again gather and pinch it to create the second loop. Like I said earlier, please be patient with this ribbon if you're working with the velvet one, just because it is a thicker material. It's a little bit trickier, but I'm telling you guys, the final results are beautiful. Okay, so now let's create the third loop, and that one's coming from the right bottom. It's gonna go up and create the third loop. Like I said, pinch and gather. Oh, also keep in mind that when you're creating the loops that they're matching with the same length. Just a little reminder, because you want them to be as evenly as possible. Okay, so yeah, anyways, moving on to the last loop that's coming from the left top. So we're gonna bring that into the middle, and again, like always, gather and pinch it. And ta-da, here's your Christmas bow. So the last thing we're gonna do is just get a little piece of wire and just twist, twist, twist. Okay, so let's move on onto the waistband and connecting it to the bow. So like I said earlier, it is a thicker material, so I couldn't really twist it all together at the same time, so I have to do a gathering stitch at the middle before I do that. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a rose gold flower in the middle just to cover that. And I think it turned out so beautiful, so let's go and put it on my little mannequin Christmas tree. So this is how it turned out. It looks so beautiful. I freaking love it. And of course it matches my little office area in my bedroom, all pink. So yeah, really happy. Let me turn on the tree. Hold on. This is how it looks turned on. It's so beautiful. I'm telling you guys, obsessed. So yeah, go to Big Lots if you guys want to get one for next year, but you go on the website because I think this one they only sell it online, and then I think they have 2 other styles in person, but this one was my favorite just because it was kind of short from the bottom. That way when I need a sweep, it's not like annoying moving things around. So yeah, love it, love it. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this little mini tutorial on the Christmas bow, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.